So to return to the Star Trek theme, I'm Heidi Roddenberry with the Roddenberry Foundation, and I'm honored to be here today with elected officials to protect America and to applaud the bold vision of the Inflation Reduction Act, to celebrate the achievements that have been made, and to appeal for more fervent progress. Gene Roddenberry, my father-in-law, said once that we as a species are currently just children. Yet someday, when we grow up, we are going to be something. And I think that the IRA investments are a big step towards finally growing up. At the Roddenberry Foundation, we are about big, bold ideas for catalytic change, and that we can do more together, helping us get to that optimistic future that Star Trek offered us. And having an infrastructure supporting an energy independence gets us closer to that goal. Today, I would like to share two stories of how the Roddenberry Foundation has worked toward this goal of universal thriving. First, we all know how vital water is for life. So now imagine my shock when I met Dr. Oriana Retziger from the J. Craig Venter Institute at a high school in San Marcos, down in San Diego, California, that has a really impressive agriculture program. We were standing near the pig pen where the pigs were rolling around in the ground in the mud because it was a really hot day. Now they're cute, but the smell, wow, that was something. And so that's when Oriana walked us to the back to show us her microbial fuel cell. This incredible filtration device can take black water, like from the Big Ben, and clean it into potable water that can be used for landscaping, or it can have a UV light as an added filtration system to make it drinking water. And yes, I enjoyed a glass of clean water that day, which the pigs had been enjoying a little bit earlier. And I'm here, I'm good. Also, the system is net positive. So that means that it doesn't draw any energy because those microbes create the energy to literally run the process. And this incredible invention went from research to commercial application, and now is a wastewater treatment plant called AquaCycle. This is how philanthropy can support innovative technologies that can help us all achieve energy independence and universal thriving. So this is a message that I have for my fellow philanthropists. Consider joining us with your gifts to help de-risk early stage investments. That's going to help bring them to market faster, and then we can help support these larger infrastructure investments like the IRA. The other story that I'd like to share, which is truly close to my heart, is about the Contentment Foundation. When I first met Dr. Daniel Cordaro, we debated how one could increase empathy for others. From there, I saw school children who had learned how to quietly take a moment for themselves if they ever felt overwhelmed, so that they could then collect themselves and return feeling whole and secure and to continue participating in class. They had been taught the tools of positive psychology from a tier 1 mental health support system so that they had more self-awareness and can use emotional regulation tools to help them contribute to their communities. With teenage suicide rates being the second leading cause of death among children in this country, we are in a severe mental health crisis. And all the initiatives that we undertake must include well-being so that our children can be taught the evidence-based tools to build coping skills and resilience so they can face this new world of ours and they can arrive whole and thrive. So as you see, the IRA investments and the Roddenberry Foundation's efforts align. And as we strive to support our country with a clean, safe, equitable, and reliable energy independent infrastructure, which thereby will support the planet, we can all work toward our shared goal of universal thriving.